This will help you practice reducing inside the radical. Find b squared minus 4ac for each equation. Okay, so there's actually a name for this, b squared minus 4ac. It's called the discriminant. And remember, we have, for our standard form of the equation, we have y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to find b squared minus 4ac for each one of these equations. Okay, now for the first one, 3, 2, and negative 5, those are the values for a, b, and c. So you're going to have b squared is 2 squared, then minus 4 times 3 times negative 5. So that's going to be 4 minus 4 times 3 is 12, and then 12 times negative 5, well, that's going to be negative 60. But it's minus a negative 60, so really it's going to be plus 60, which is 64. Now I did a lot of that mentally, but you can also write out the steps. 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60, negative times negative is positive. So this first one matches with 64. And the next one, see b squared minus 4ac. The b is 3, so it's going to be 3 squared, and then minus 4 times negative 2, and then times 5. So 3 squared is 9, and then minus 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 times 5 is 40, and it's minus negative, so it's going to be 9 plus 40, which is 49. Next one, we have a 3, a negative 1, and a negative 6. b squared minus 4ac. So b squared, that's going to be negative 1 squared, and then minus 4 times 3 times negative 6. Negative 1 squared is 1. Then it's going to be 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 6 is 72. It's going to be plus 72. Remember, it's negative times negative, which makes a positive. So plus 72, and that makes 73. And this fourth one, we have 1, 2, and negative 3. b squared minus 4ac right here. So it's going to be 2 squared minus 4 times 1, that's the invisible 1, and then times negative 3. 2 squared is 4, and then 4 times 1 is 4, and then 4 times 3 is 12. And it's negative times negative again, so it's plus 12. So that's going to be equal to 16. So that's the b squared minus 4ac for 4 different problems.